What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here at Wall Street PR. In today's video, I'm going to be going over Roblox. Ticker symbol is RBLX. As you guys can see, they are down pretty dramatically from the previous all-time high of about $141.60 back here. And this was in late November of 2021. And since then, they've been in a clear and consistent downtrend, pulling back to their new all-time low of $49.72. The reason for this pullback was because they did announce their earnings that I'll be getting into later in this video. I do want to start off by saying, personally, I do think they're a pretty good buy at this price. They've never been this low in the history of their listing. You can see they were listed all the way back up here at about $62.50 per share. Obviously, they hit that all-time high like I mentioned, but now they're below their IPO price, down here under $50. Personally, the lowest I think they will go is between $40 to $45 per share. I'm a buyer at this price. I think they have a lot of further upside, but there also is some reasons to be concerned as a potential investor. I'm going to be going over all of that throughout this video. I want to start off over here. This is titled Roblox shares closed down 26% after earnings miss. You can see they reported fourth quarter revenue of $770 million, below the $772 million that the analysts expected, and its loss of 25 cents per share was wider than the 13 cents anticipated. So just a small revenue miss, only $2 million. The main miss was here with these earnings per share, the EPS numbers being a pretty wide miss. You can also see they reported 49.5 million daily active users, which was up 33%, from the year earlier period. And then lastly, down here as well, they did say that overall user growth has been pretty stagnant. They did kind of see an accelerated movement. Like this all-time high was due to the fact that this was kind of during the mid to late part of the pandemic. A lot of people were online. A lot of people, were home from school and work and things like that. They had more time to play and use Roblox platform. That led to their all-time high of 141.60. They had a ton of active users. They saw rapid growth, and that's why we saw that rapid growth in the stock price as well. I want to go over here and talk about this article too, titled Roblox stock is sinking. Analysts wonder what comes next for the metaverse. If we scroll down a little bit further, you can see, if I go down to here, they did actually have a price target of $110 per share that was reiterated. So this reiterated just means it was previously set at $110. The earnings report came out and it's still set at $110 per share, which would give the stock 78% upside based on the Wednesday pre-market action in the shares. If we scroll down here a little bit further, you can also see there's another price target of $136 per share, which is more than 120% upside from its current price. Obviously, guys, there's kind of torn and mixed reviews and opinions on Roblox stock. Personally, though, like I keep saying, I am a buyer right here. I think they will kind of see a little bit more downside, probably just a few dollars more. If I were to guess next week, I do think they pull down to about $44 or $45 per share. I think they hit that level. I think some big time buyers step in. Eventually, I think they see a slow recovery kind of like this, back up to about $75 per share. I think that's my first price target. That's my fair value price target for Roblox, is about $70 to $75 per share. I think 141 is an over valuation, but I do think $49 is an undervaluation. I think 75 right in the middle is a fair valuation for Roblox and where they're headed in the future. But as always, guys, be sure to do your own research before investing. Only invest what you can afford to lose. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.